Any man that cheats on you does not deserve your loyalty. Let's flip the script. If you were the one cheating, do you think he will stay with you? No, he won't. He will leave you without even looking back. Staying with a man that consistently cheats on you is a sign of low self-esteem. It is a slap on your face. And you are indirectly giving him the permission to keep disrespecting you. And here is the hard truth. He will never value you as long as you keep enabling him by staying. Tell me, why are you still in that toxic relationship? Is it the fear of being alone? Or is it the good bed moments? Or is it because you don't have your own money? Listen, you deserve better. And you will never get better if you keep settling for less. So wake up, my queen.
Okay.
And you can see me from.
Hot one.
My sister, I'm sorry.